Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, the legendary Jimmy Cliff is back with new music and a video that is something we all need in these times. Human touch. Guys, let's take a little look.
Yeah, Jimmy. Jimmy has to reach out and touch someone, you know.
Yes,
Human touch.
yes.
But there's nothing that can substitute, you know.
It's
a serious thing. I love the video. I love the imagery in the video. I like the. I mean, it's Jimmy Cliff's. Of course, anything that he put out have to be global and international in its scope, and the video definitely
And his
does
voice and the depth of his voice. There's no like still solid, you know, still the notes and the tone. Beautiful.
Yeah, General. But him address some very serious issues. Like at the end of the day, you know, we still suffer from not having enough of the human touch. It's a serious thing.
Yeah.
Psychologically, it gets to you.
That's a really good point. And what's really sad, though, is that everybody is there feeling that they want someone to touch them or them to touch somebody, and yet nobody is. You know what I mean? Like,
man,
everybody's feeling that way.
Yeah, man.
So why are we not, if we all want the same things, why we don't just give it to each other?
Yeah, people craving interaction and you know, that kind of communication. So is that really a go on? Even the students, like we were talking about a little bit earlier, it's the same thing. They're missing that socialization, that interaction. You know, that only peers can help you with. You know.
And I like that you mentioned the students, because something I have to remind myself to do, sadly, but I have to, because of everything is at home, and your home now is no longer your sanctuary. Your home is your office, it's your workplace, it's your business, it's everything. So it kind of gets pushed out, the things that it was actually meant for. So every morning, I make a decision every day. I'm like, I have to give my daughter a hug at least 10 times for the day.
Same.
Have to. So I wake up and sometimes I'm doing something, because you know when you're on your phone and she's like, Mommy, something, and I'm working, but it's your phone. So she's like, Mommy, and I have to be like, put on the phone, put on the phone, put on the phone. Yes, baby. And you know, because she needs it, because they're all at home. And
I think you should give them a virtual hug.
I just did. You want another
Do it again.
Well, you can't come hug me too. If you see me.
I think Preske is there now. We can give her a virtual hug too.
Look at that beauty braid. Hi, Preske.
On that note, Daytime Live will be right back. And we're going to be talking with Preske a little bit about our big sync deal. We're so forward. Big up, Preske.